Hi, I am Dr. Gaurav Patel, consultant dermatologist at Astha Skin and Laser Clinic, Ahmedabad. In today's video, I am going to tell you about which are the reasons for the skin aging, which are the signs in skin aging, and what we can do for prevention of the skin aging. There are multiple reasons for the skin aging, but mainly divided in the two types. One is the intrinsic, that means natural. In this case, we cannot do anything. And second is external, that means from outside the environment, so we can prevent it very well. In intrinsic region, which are the natural region for the skin aging, is genetic, metabolic, cellular and hormonal. Second is the external factors. Let's see in details about the external factors. The most common reason for the skin aging, particularly in our skin type, it's sunlight. Sunlight contains ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B radiation and multiple type of the other radiation also. So aging due to the sunlight is known as the photoaging, and it mainly occurs in the exposed areas, face, neck, hands and legs. In this, your skin becomes more wrinkles, your skin becomes dark, thick and darken. Many times we think that we are not exposing too much in the sunlight, but when you see your skin, you can see the clear difference between your covered skin and the exposed skin. This difference is due to the prolonged effect of the ultraviolet radiation. So if you want to prevent the skin aging, sun protection is must. So protect the skin, you should apply sunscreen. Sunscreen, there are multiple types of the sunscreen. You should apply according to your skin type. If you have very oily skin, then the gel type of the sunscreen is better. If you have dry skin, then lotion or cream base will be fine. SPF more than 25 is okay for our skin. Whenever you apply sunscreen, you should apply it 20 minutes before sun exposure, because once we apply the sunscreen, it starts its effect after 20 minutes, and once we apply it, you need to reapply every 3 to 4 hours. You should apply sunscreen throughout the year. Even in the monsoon season, in the cloudy atmosphere, sunlight come to the earth, and it's very important to apply the sunscreen. Apart from the sunscreen, you should wear the full clothes. You can wear the summer coat. On the face, you can apply mask and cover the face. Apart from that, you can wear the full brim hat. It's better to wear the broad sunglasses. You should avoid going outside in the sun between 10 AM to 4 PM. Second common reason for the aging is stress. Stress in the any form means physical, mental stress is going to affect your skin. Due to the stress, cortisol hormones level increase. Cortisol, also known as the stress hormones, when its level increase, it increases the level of the sugar also, and it has the detrimental effect on the collagen. Collagen is responsible for the smooth and tight skin. So when there is a dent in the collagen, our skin aging becomes very faster. Due to the high level of the cortisol, there is an increased oxidative stress on the body, and skin aging process is accelerated. Due to the cortisol, sugar level is also increased in our body. It adversely affects on our skin. Any type of the stress, like the strenuous physical exertions, mental stress, anxiety, depression, lack of sleep, starvation, diet, anger, illness, injury or infection, any type of the stress is not good for the skin. You should find your way to control the stress. You can do yoga, pranayam, meditation, exercise, gratitude practice, any other way you feel good. Feeling good and feeling happiness is very important. When you feel good, when you laugh or when you are in the happy stage, it's release the good hormones. So serotonin, dopamine and endorphin are the good hormones. When there is a good amount of these happy hormones in our body, our skin naturally glow. Third reason is food. Food has the also aging effect. Some of the food is not good for the skin. When you eat this type of the food, there is a high chances of the acceleration of the aging is there. In this food, it contains the fast food, aerated drinks, processed food, refined flour, artificial sweeteners, excessive teas and coffee, red meat, food which have very high level of the sugar and salt. These food release the free radicals which cause the oxidative stress. So you should avoid this type of the food. You can take green vegetables and the fruits. It's rightly said that we are what we eat. So you have to be very careful while choosing your food. Good food habit is very important regimen for the anti-aging secret. Third reason is lack of sleep. Nowadays, due to the fast lifestyles, excessive stress and revolution in the mobile and laptop technology, our quality and quantity of the sleep has drastically changed. Due to that, in nowadays we see very young peoples, they have the aged skin and all that. So sleep is very important for the skin healing and the rejuvenation. It is also known as the beauty sleep because during the sleep there is a regeneration and repairing of the skin layers. It's very helpful to prevent the aging of the skin. Sleep also reduces the level of the cortisol, which is responsible for the stress. During sleep there is a very low level of the cortisol, so skin healing and repairing is very fast. Collagen remodeling is there, and during the sleep our skin immunity improves very much. So lack of sleep lead to the prominent under eye diacycles, lusterless and dehydrated skin. Sleep also increase the melatonin levels, which reduce the age spot, fine lines, even skin cancer also. Good sleep also make the growth hormones more efficiently, leading to repair and regeneration of the collagen. Quality and quantity of the sleep both are important. How long you sleep is as much important as how you sleep. So on an average 7 to 8 hours sleep is enough for you. You should avoid eating heavy meal, sugary food, tea or coffee 2-3 hours before the sleeping. You should keep the ambient of the bedroom soothing and clutter free. Sleep position of the sleep is also affect the skin aging. Repeated pressure and the strain on the skin during the sleep lead to what we dermatologists call the sleeping line on the face. People who sleep with the face buried in the pillow, they prone to lines on the forehead. When you sleep sideways with the face on the pillow, it leads to the more lines in the cheek and chin. The best sleeping position is considered sleeping straight on your back, or the Buddha position, in which you sleep on your side with ear resting on your palm. So when you take care of sleeping hours and sleeping position, it's very good effect on your skin also. Another factor is lack of water. Water is very important from each and every cellular of our body. Skin is the largest organ of our body and it constantly touch in the environment, so retention of the water is very important for the smooth and hydrated skin. So you should drink at least 8 to 10 glass of the water per day. So when there is less water in the skin, your skin become dry, dull, lusterless, and skin becomes very prone to the wrinkles. Now let's see about the alcohol. Alcohol has a detrimental effect on the skin. Most of the alcohol contains very high level of the sugar, which has the very detrimental effect on the collagen. Alcohol also releases the free radicals, which cause the oxidative stress on the face. So you should avoid alcohol in any form. Smoking not only affects the lungs, but it also causes damage to the skin. When you smoke regularly, smoking depletes vitamin C, which is very good antioxidant. It causes damage to the collagen. Smoking causes fine lines, wrinkles, dark circle, dark lip, smoker's lines, and it causes thin and whitening of the hair. So you should avoid smoking in any form. Another factor is sedentary lifestyle or lack of exercise. Nowadays, due to the sedentary lifestyle, our body movement and physical exercise is reduced drastically. When you exercise, your blood supply to the face is increased, your heartbeat increased. So when blood supply to the skin increase, your skin looks naturally glowing and collagen remodeling and regeneration becomes very fast. You must have noticed that when you exercise regularly, your skin start glowing naturally. So this is the natural anti-aging factors and it's very effective. Last and least known factors is gravity. Generally we ignore the effect of the gravity. Gravity also play a role in skin aging. As a force that is pulling everything downward, it also has the same effect on the skin and tissue. So after 50 years, effect of the gravity on the skin started. This includes the hanging or dropping of the upper eyebrows and eyelids, formation of the jowl, that means displacement of the fat on the cheek, elongation of the earlobe and drooping of the lower lips. So these are the gravity effect. Now let's see which are the sign of the aging. When you start noticing these on your skin, that means your skin start aging. So these signs include age spot or blemish, thin skin, dry and dehydrated skin, fine lines on the face, particularly on the forehead, around the eyes, then the development of the wrinkles, droopings of the eyelid and eyebrow, under eye bags, dark circles, hollowing of the face and the cheek, prominent laugh line, sagging of the jawline, loose skin. Now let's see about the anti-aging regimen in short. There are main 4 steps in the anti-aging regimen. First step is the cleansing, second is the moisturizer, third is sunscreen, and fourth is the night cream. So let's see about the cleanser. Cleansing is the first step of any good skincare regimen. The type of the cleanser or face wash you use depends on your skin type and your day-to-day life type. If you have very dry skin or sensitive skin, better to use non-foaming gentle cleanser which are the chemical free. If you have very oily skin, you can use foaming face wash with the alpha hydroxy acid. Ideally, you should clean your face with the face wash 2-3 times a day. Second is the moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important in the anti-aging regimen. It prevents the dryness of the skin. It keeps your skin hydrated and help to strengthen your skin barrier. As we get older, our natural skin oil start reducing. So we should apply moisturizer from the outside to maintain the level of this oil in the skin. Third is the sunscreen. Sunscreen is most important component in the anti-aging regimen. If you don't wear sunscreen regularly, effect of the other product will be nullified. Sunlight is the #1 reason for the aging prematurely. You should apply the broad spectrum sunscreen which contains UVA and UVB protection both. Fourth is the night cream. In night cream, retinol or retinoic acid is most important components. Apart from that, growth factors and peptide based cream is also available. There are multiple research and the papers on the retinoic acid or retinol in the skin aging. It reduces the skin aging drastically. When used properly, it has very good effect on your skin. It has the exfoliant effect, means it remove your dry and dead skin. It increase the collagen regeneration, so your skin becomes very youthful and looking young. Apart from collagen, elastic regeneration will be there. You should apply the retinol cream 30 minutes after the face wash. Whichever anti-aging night cream you are using, you should watch for the components that is retinol. In female, when you planning for the pregnancy or when you are pregnant, you should avoid application of the retinol. There are peptide and growth factor based cream also available in the market, but the retinol is the first choice of the anti-aging cream. I have separate video on this anti-aging regimen. In this video, I have covered the anti-aging regimen very shortly. Apart from this cream, we dermatologist at our clinic, we do some procedure like the chemical peel, microderma abrasion, IPL, ablative lasers, non-ablative radiofrequency, derma roller, PRP, mesotherapy, botulinum toxin, dermal filler, thread lift. When you know about all these reasons which cause the aging, you should easily avoid it and prevent the premature skin aging. If you have any query or question regarding this, you can ask me. To watch more informative and educative video on the skin and hair related problem, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.